govern a constitution, an economy like this. You put them into power, what do you expect? Whereas there are those in the street who are willing, who knows the actual cry of the people. These people you are bringing, these your children you are bringing into power, have they really gone to the street and see what people are suffering? These are people who just fly private jets, enjoy in AC. You know, they don't really know what people, the heightness of the economy. You understand? Then even when they are being elected, the question is, how would they feel? We need people who have really gone through, you understand, who have really gone through the 10 months of the hardship of the country, so that when they get there, they will feel, they will know the pain and the cry of these people, to be able to, you understand, put this in order. That is what we are looking for. Not you trying to bring your son who has gone to school in the UK, see the development of those countries, enjoy the good benefits there, then you bring him back to Nigeria into power. How will he really solve the situation, the ugly situation of this country, when he has not really gone through the heat? So when an individual goes through the heat, that is when he gets up there, he will definitely know, okay, these are the things my people need. Let me tackle it. Okay. I don't know if you understand. Right. But that is why our economy is like this these days. Many leaders who are up there today, they've not really gone through the pain. So that is why they just do whatever they like. I don't know if you understand. So it should get to a point whereby our leaders, there should be a constitution that will be against this aspect of trying to position the